आदमी का डॉलर हाँ
एक दो दिन से इनका बाइट कर रहे हैं।
हाँ सबको आवाज मार मेरे को रोक दो है ये भाई कहीं भी जाके reference from your international customer. That is okay. Yeah, okay.
Counter of Cambodians. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Welcome to Cambodia.
Okay.
Hello, I'm from Cambodia. We're from B2B Hospitality. We have a stall here. We are a vendor for, we just do MICE groups. We do international as well as the domestic, all over the worldwide, international and it's a nice platform. Shubhavi Bhavan has arranged a wonderful platform for everyone, whether it's a hotelier, vendor, the people, clients. It's good for us to, enhance our services. Thank you so much.
How many participants in here?
I think more than 5,500 and 5,000.
Domestic and international?
Yeah, all hoteliers and everything is here. It's a good platform for everyone to explore as a client, as a customer, as a dealer.
How are you feeling with the business in this
It's good because today is a first day, so I cannot say more. But it's a good start. We just expecting n numbers of customers. Might be end of the day it's going to happen wonderful. But recently it's in
नहीं other 2 days.
yeah, today.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
We are the representatives of St. Petersburg tourism. St. Petersburg is the cultural capital of Russia. So Russia now is extensively marketing itself in the Indian market, and surely India is one of the key markets for Russia right now. So we have e-visa also, which was implemented almost a year ago now and has received great response from Indian travelers. So we have Indian travelers who can get e-visa within a week, and we also have direct flights from Delhi to Russia. So definitely what Russia wants to tell Indian travelers, what St. Petersburg wants to convey is that it is open and it is welcoming to all Indian travelers. हमारे यहाँ कश्मीर में कुछ चलता है तो इंडिया तो सेफली है ना, हम तो घूमते हैं इंडिया में. There is something happening at the border does not affect the country. If anything, it has just shown how close Russia and India's relations are. A 6 hours direct flight from Delhi to Moscow, and from Moscow to St. Petersburg you can go by train or by plane. So great connectivity options.